Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'll show you how to get the goldenrod flower in 7 days. This can be used to craft some teas or pure mineral water, and to find it, first of all, you want to make sure you're inside of the pine forest area where you can find grass, just like this one, and look for a yellowish flower, just like this, and then with any tool or just your bare hands, left click on it to punch it and you'll get some goldenrod flowers. Also, there's another useful thing. You want to go to the perks, to the skills, and here, living off the land skill, make sure you've got it to the fullest to make sure you triple the harvest of the plants that you collect. So this is pretty much all. How to get it, make sure to like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.